Welcome to Farewell Fridays at Gateway Bronco. This week's delivery, it's headed to the island of St. Barts. This is the ultimate beach cruiser in a LUXE-GT Bronco. Not only is it the ultimate beach cruiser, it also has this wonderful Brittany blue paint. It's a LUXE-GT with anti-lock brakes, independent suspension. It even has electronic stability control. If you like to take it on the canyon roads or cross country, anywhere around the world, this truck is ready. Let's take a look inside. The interior of this Bronco is one of my favorite leathers of all time. It's incredibly soft and it has the Brittany blue stitch to match the exterior paint. Along with the roll bar that's painted to match, this is the ultimate beach cruiser in a LUXE-GT headed to St. Barts. We're delivering dreams to driveways around the world. If you'd like to learn more how to turn your dream into a reality, please give me a call. Thanks so much for joining and let's take a ride together.